Hello, Mark and Heather. This is Mark with Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2012 Cadillac CTS all-wheel drive. This has the 3.0 liter 6-cylinder motor. I'll give you a shot of that here. It's got some, looks like some glue. Yeah, that'll come off. It's got some glue on the front, one of the front headlights, like maybe had a sticker on it. There are some light surface scratches on the hood. I don't know if these are going to show up on the video, but it looks like, yeah, nothing bad at all. It looks like these could probably be massaged out or at least made to go pretty much away. There's a chip right here, a small chip. Nope, that was just something on the paint, sorry. Give you a shot of the tire condition. This is the front right. And the wheel, no signs of corrosion that I can see here on the wheels. These are 17-inch aluminum wheels. Moving around to the front, the lower air dam looks good. Front grille. Some scratches down here on the bottom. Little curb rash maybe right there. Yeah, on the other side too, just a little bit. Front left tire. And wheel. Again, I don't see any corrosion on these wheels. Looking down the side, on the driver's side, I don't see any door dings. Looks really good. Front glass is excellent. I don't see any cracks or chips. Top of the vehicle, likewise, no scratches, not even any chips along the front edge. Left rear tire. And wheel. Rear bumper looks excellent. Also looking down the passenger side, I see no door dings. It's a very clean vehicle. Here is a shot of the right rear tire. And wheel. Driver's side sill. Leather is in excellent shape. Here's a shot of the side bolster, which normally would have, that'd be a good indicator for wear, and this looks really good. It's probably some type of a carpet cleaner or something. The carpet looks clean, and that's some kind of a powdery substance right there, but I think that'll vacuum out. I just checked it and it looks like that'll come right out. Vehicle has remote start as well. Just over 29,000 miles. Dual zone climate control. AM FM CD player with XM, also OnStar. The sill in the left rear and also the seat. Again, it doesn't even look like this back seat has been set in. It's got the carpeted floor mats as well. I showed you inside there it had the rubber floor mats. Well, it's got the carpeted floor mats back here in the trunk. Very spacious trunk. Looks like there's a pass-through there for longer items. Right rear sill and bolster. These seats look great. This is a black Raven exterior and an ebony interior. Nice contrasting stitching. Passenger side, this is the right front bolster and sill. Dash looks great. Analog clock, I like that. Center console with a it's got a 12-volt charging port and an auxiliary jack. Oh, Mark and Heather, there you go. That's the 2012 Cadillac CTS. I'm going to get this video into Lauren, have her get it uploaded and over to you. She will follow up with a phone call to make sure that you were able to open it and view it and answer any questions you may have. Thank you very much.